Тікет лятується, коротше, таке мечне, блядь.
What is your opinion on this night cruise?
I don't know where to go in the city, and everything is going very fast. At least when it's first time. A dude doing donuts. Anyways, this little meet is kinda chill. Oh, it's still doing it.
Yeah, basically we pulled up to Panevėžys. That's a big ass sword. There's an event happening. It's a little community event. Very nice lighting from.
These are, I think, OEM. I don't know from which model those wheels came, but they are OEM wheels. They're looking
Maybe G37, maybe? I don't know. Pressure racing.
oh shit. Very nice. Some schnitzels. I don't know how about you, but I think Underglow is coming back. Bring back Underglow.
Take over. A rare sighting in Lithuania. It's an R32.
MK4 Golf.
Old money motors. That's
God damn.
That's why there's old expensive cars here. R33 Skyline. There's an E30 M3 somewhere over there. 22B WRX STI. So yeah, very nice.
We are arguing if that BMW right there, that's E28. In Lithuania, it has a name, Ryklis, which stands for shark. Yeah. Man, there is an Audi A6 behind the E30. Dream car.
Very nice. Okay.
Very similar to the new Strom wheels. This part, the inner ring. Prelude turbo.
We have arrived at Hesburger to eat food.
Look, the shot I got. Very nice.
Oh, the bull was pretty cool, but we're not local to this city, so we did not orienting fast enough. At least we didn't get lost.
Oh.
We are eating flames. Thank you for watching our little trip to Panevėžys WEBOOLIN night cruise. We end the video here. We all gathered back. I mean, it sounds pretty good.
Wow, that was legitness.
So yeah, we gathered in our hometown. Sticker. Buy our banners and stickers. Cool designs.
Yeah, buy. Please buy. I need something to eat.